Hello again. Welcome back to Easy English Spot. This is our second lesson for beginners.
Hi everyone, Lisa is here, and Adam is here. We missed you.
Last time we learned something very important. Do you remember?
Yes, we learned how to introduce yourself, how to talk about you.
Your name, your country, your age, your job, what you like.
And you did great, but now we need more.
More? What more?
Conversation, talking with other people, not just about you, about them.
Yes, because English is not just me. It is you too.
Exactly. So today, we learn how to ask questions, how to talk to a new friend.
After today, you can have a real conversation. A short one, but a real one.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay, Lisa. Last time we learned, I am Adam. I am from America.
Today, we learn to ask, what is your name? Where are you from?
In English, we have question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how.
But for beginners, we start with the easy ones. What and where?
What is for things? What is your name? What is your job?
Where is for places. Where are you from? Where do you live?
Listeners, repeat after me. What is your name?
Where are you from?
Good. Now you know 2 questions.
Now, let's learn the answers. When someone asks, what is your name? You say,
My name is Adam, or I am Adam.
when someone asks, where are you from? You say, I am from Egypt.
Listeners, imagine I ask you, what is your name? You say, your name.
Now I ask, where are you from? You say, your country.
Perfect. You just had a conversation. 2 questions, 2 answers.
Now let's add more. Next question, how old are you?
How is for many things, but here, how old means age.
How old are you? Answer, I am 25 years old, or I am 25.
Listeners, answer this. How old are you?
Wonderful! Now you can ask and answer about name, country, age.
Next question. What do you do? This means your job.
Or you can ask, what is your job? Both are okay.
Answer. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a doctor.
Listeners, answer, what do you do?
Great. Now let's learn about family. Question. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Do you have means, is it with you? Is it in your life?
Answer. Yes, I have one brother. Or, no, I don't have brothers.
I have 2 sisters. I have no brothers or sisters.
Listeners, answer. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Good job. Now hobbies. Question, what do you like to do?
Or, what are your hobbies? Both are good.
Answer, I like reading. I like football. I like cooking.
Listeners, answer. What do you like to do?
Look, you can now ask 6 questions and answer them too.
Name, country, age, job, family, hobbies. 6 things.
Now let's put it together. Let's make a full conversation.
I am Adam. I will talk to Lisa. Watch. Hi, Lisa. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
Oh, new phrase. How are you means how do you feel?
Yes, very common. How are you? Answer, I am good. I am fine. I am happy.
I am good too. What is your name?
My name is Lisa. You know that, Adam.
I know, but for the lesson, where are you from, Lisa?
I am from Egypt. And you? Where are you from?
I am from America. How old are you, Lisa?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30. What do you do, Lisa?
I am an engineer. What do you do, Adam?
I am a teacher. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. Do you?
I have one brother. What do you like to do, Lisa?
I like cooking and swimming. And you?
I like football and reading. It was nice talking to you, Lisa.
Nice talking to you too, Adam. Bye.
Did you see that? A whole conversation, all with simple questions and answers.
And you can do this too. With a friend, with a classmate, even with yourself in the mirror.
The secret is practice. Ask the questions, answer them, again and again.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Let's review all the questions we learned today.
What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? What is your job? Do you have brothers or sisters? What do you like to do? What are your hobbies? How are you?
7 questions. 7 powerful questions to start a conversation.
And you learned the answers too. You are ready to talk to anyone.
Here is your homework. This week, find someone to practice with.
A friend, a family member, even your pet.
Your dog will be very impressed with your English. Ask them the questions. Answer their questions.
If you don't have someone, talk to yourself. Be both people. Ask and answer.
Next time, we will learn something new, something exciting.
What will it be? You have to wait and see.
Thank you for learning with us. You are doing amazing.
Don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends who are learning English.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.